I know it's been a while. Holidays usually get me pretty busy. I finally was able to get some more stuff in. So today I'm going to be opening up a box of Prophecies of Christ. And it's an older set, but it's just gotten the Roots cards in it. So I don't have much of this, and I don't have much of Roots, so it's going to be great for me. So let's get into it. Alright, so here's the packaging. I guess my hand was right in the way, huh? Here's the packaging. I'm sorry about that. Quick at it. So each pack will have your. This will be the Prophecies of Christ cards in this one, and then these will be your Roots cards. Let's go through Prophecies first. We got Unknown Nation. We got a Legacy Rare. Search. The Coming Prince. Scattered Sheep. Philistine Soothsayers. Sorry if I'm messing some of this up. It's kind of getting late for me and I'm tired. It's been a long week. The long holidays. I hope your guys' holidays as well. Mine was well, just long. Our first Roots card is Eve, Mother of All. We have Siegeworks, Wastelands, Haman's Plot. I've been looking for this one, so that's good. And Zeresh, wife of Haman. I'm sure I will butcher some of these names, so thanks for bearing with me. We got our UR already, our ultra rare. So our ultra rare is Destruction of Nehushtan. I probably butchered it. That's how you are. We have Belshazzar's mother, Potter in the Clay, the Lying Prophet, and Covenant of Palestine. And we'll go to the Roots. We have Abner the Commander, Adjorn, Sisera the Commander, Jerusalem Tower, and Holy of Holies. That's a great card. Alright, give me 1 minute. I'm going to reset this camera different angle because I'm having trouble. Alright. Hopefully this will work out a little better. Alright. So our rare is New Covenant. We got Belshazzar's mother again. Eyes to See. And Redeeming Branch. And our legacy rare is Astrologers. Our roots cards gonna be Blue Tassels. We got A Lost Soul, Punisher. Satan's Seat. Yes, that's a good one. I needed that one too. Amram, Moses' father. Swift Beings. That's a good one as well. Nice. Alright. We've got Captain of the Host. That's a good one. You may draw X, limit 3. Negate an evil card in play or a set-aside area. May ban to a Joshua hero or an Old Testament angel warrior. Cannot be negated. Nice. Daniel's Guardian. Habakkuk. Huh. Oh. God, Daniel. I hate playing against this card. It kills me every time. Beautiful card. Hate playing against it. The Bear. Nice. Good pack. And on to our roots cards. We got Angel at Jerusalem. The Lord Fights for You. Deborah's Directive. Jael the Shrewd. And Zeal for the Lord. Nice. Alright, we have Reap the Whirlwind, which is a really good card. I just got a promo or something like that. There's a promo out there that's really nice. Let's Reap the Whirlwind. Ram in the Thicket. The Coming Prophet. The Prophetess. And Offering Your Son. For our roots cards, we have Godspeed, Mask of Pride, Shobach the Commander, Yoke of Iron, and Multh. I might try to speed it up a little bit, but I doubt that's going to happen because I get preoccupied. I am a little tired. Zadok. Summoned to interpret. By his wounds, gathered together, and the angel of his presence. I like the artwork on the border here. Looks good, looks sharp. Alright, on to roots. Nurgle Sarazer Rob Mog. I have no idea if I said that correctly. Babylonian, Old Testament. Capture abilities and weapons used by this card cannot be negated. Alright. We have Rafa of Gath. I like that one, but the promo is better. We have Abeyance. Stringed Instruments. Death of Unrighteous. Alright. We got Ezekiel the Vindicator. Obadiah. Wasting Disease. Devouring Philistines. And Jacob's Ladder. That's a good one. I like the artwork on that one as well. Some great art on redemption cards. Alrighty. I say alright about every time, don't I? Assyrian Survivor. Assyrian Siege Army. Sinning Hand. Evil Spirit. And the Devourer. I'll check that one out. Caught myself before I said it again. The First Sacrifice. Carcasses. Capture and Seize. Betrayal. And Gomer as our legacy rare. Balaam's Disobedience. Prosperity. Battle Prayer. Armor Bearer. And then Furnace of God's Wrath. That donkey looks mad. How dare you strike me? Have I not been a good donkey? We have Foolish Shepherd, the Winged Lion, Zephaniah, Treachery of Jezebel, and Lost Soul, Lost Boy. Protect this lost soul from rescue except by a lone hero. If your evil human is discarded except by your ability, you may shuffle all heroes except one in battle. Alright. There it is again. Said it again. I put that in the wrong spot too. Ido the Seer. Isaiah, Peace Proclaimer. Temple Priest. Creation of the World. Job's Faith. We're almost halfway there. Almost halfway there. Alright, we got a dominant. I can get him out of there. Got Chariot of Fire. Rescue your good Old Testament human prophet. If opponent's blocking character is not opposed, you may add Elisha from deck, discard pile, or reserve to battle. Sorry about that. May not be included in a deck with the Son of God dominant. Nice. Alright. Triumphal Entry. Prophets of Baal. Live Coal. I wish I had this card for the Christmas swap. Stone Cut Without Hands. For our Roots cards, we have Job the Perseverant. We have Forest Fire. Given to Egypt. I Am Sustainer. Check that out. I haven't seen that card yet. And then King Zedekiah. We have the King of Nineveh. Out of Bethlehem. Oh. Interrupt the battle. If opponent has hand advantage, discard all evil cards in battle. Legacy Rare is Great Image. After battle, discard all opponent's heroes and territories. We have Lion's Den. And Eve's Descendant. Adonijah. The Usurper? Oh boy. We'll just scoot on past that one. False Witnesses. Greek Philosophers. Pot of Manna. Four Horns. Alright, halfway. We got Esther, the Courageous. Brass Serpent. Honor thy enemy. Bless the nations. Covenant with Abraham. I am Creator. Lost Soul Hopper. Very good. Naomi, the Widow. The Second Seal. Wheel within a wheel. Okay. On to the second half. We have Alexander the Great. Delivered. Joel. Meshach. Yeah, nailed that one. Jeez. Bow of Battle. And then from Roots, we have Seraph with a Live Coal. Jael's Nail. Spy. Simon of Cyrene. And then Zadok anoints Solomon. Okay, Babylonian Siege Army. Wickedness of Jezebel. Cursed Egyptians. Miriam. And the Shunammite woman. Titus the Messenger. Emperor Vitellius. The Strong Force. Mask of Vanity. And Sapphira the Dishonest. His name. Turn to Egypt. Confusion of Mind. I needed this card. Excellent card. Prophets of Samaria. Jonah. For Roots, we have Siege. Silly Woman. Hind's Feet. Jochebed, Moses' mother. Oh. And 2,000 horses. Faith. Oh, that's a pretty card, huh? That is a pretty card. Prince Jonathan. Bearing Our Sin. Outpouring. Moses' Staff. Sorry about that again. We have King Sargon II. Corrupted. Trembling Demon. Red Dragon. And Roman Horses. House of Prayer. The Winged Leopard. Vain Philosophy. Transgressor. Joseph before Pharaoh. Alright, so we got our Roots, Captain of the Host. Unified Kingdom. Hadassah, Esther. King Lemuel. And Repentance. A rare is Treacherous Land. Jackals. Plague of Blood. The Widow at Zarephath. And Lost Soul Foreigner. Alright, we have Roots, Abram, the Blameless. Drawn Sword. Pact with Death. Mask of Arrogance. And King Zimri. Oh, I still need a blue card. I haven't pulled it yet. Oh. Excuse me. Alright, so Doom Canaanites. False Prophets. Triumphant in Zion. Or Trumpet in Zion. Sorry about that. I Am Has Sent Me. And Deborah. For our Roots cards, we have Ezekiel, God Strengthens. The Ethiopian Treasurer. Melchizedek, Bread Giver. And Obedience of Noah. And Rachel the Favored. I'm looking for Manasseh. I need it from a deck. King Xerxes. Lost Soul, Distressed. Nice. Cut Off. Passover. Irrational Rage. Abandonment. Mask of Self-Glorification. Greek Scholars. Poison of Dragons. And Chariot of Fire. Alright, we got 4 more packs. 4 more packs to go. Joseph Silver Cup. Fountain of Living Water. Sign of Jonah. Blindness. And Urim and Thummim. Thummim. Sorry about that. Alrighty. Alexander of Troas. Amalekite Slave. Moses and the Elders. Covenant Keepers. Joseph in Prison. Uh-oh. It's going to elude me. I feel it. Alright, we have Nebuchadnezzar. Noah's Ark. Indentured Servant. Haman's Boasting. Micah. For Roots, we got Lost Soul Wanderer. Lost Soul Color Guard. Asaph the Psalmist. Protection of Angels. And Burning Censer. 2 more packs. King Darius the Mede. Assyrian Archer. That's cool. Mounted Forces. Withered Plant. And the Worm. And Unsuccessful. For Roots, we have Angel at Shur. Consider the Lilies. Joshua Scribes. Baruch, son of Zabai. Generous Giving. And we'll go to our last pack. Oh, we did hit the Lost Soul that I wanted to. Very good. We got the full art. Oh, another UR. I didn't know there was 2 URs in here. Was there supposed to be? We got Remnant. Holy cow. That's awesome. So Remnant. Balaam's Prophecy. Offering Your Son. And the Prophetess. and Lost Soul Covenant Breakers. Okay, for Roots. Come on, Manasseh. Alright, we have Night Raid, King Cushion Rishathaim, Nebuchadnezzar's Pride, Cup of Wrath, and not Manasseh, Seven Sons of Sceva. That's alright. I had a good opening. So I got this box today that you saw from Your Turn Games. Andy is a very good guy. They're all very good people. Sorry, I'm distracted. Okay, so I got these from Your Turn Games and from Andy, who I consider a good friend. He is a good guy. You can also order from Three Lions Gaming, and there's also Cactus Gaming or Cactus Games. Man, there's Covenant Games. All of those places have cards where you can search and find different things you're looking for. Oh man, I'm tired. I'm going to bed. I'm about to end this because I'm not even making sense. Thank you guys for joining this. Andy, thank you for the packaging as ever. Anybody who watches this, thank you for joining in. God bless all of you. I hope you have a great night.